Hello and welcome to Streams.live tutorials. In this video, I will be showing you how to configure your video source before you start your first live shopping session using your Streams.live account. After you create your first channel, you have to click on the Setup button in order to configure your session. The first step is to choose your video source. Here you have two options: use webcam or use professional camera. As you can imagine, if you click on Use Webcam, that means you will be able to stream directly from your laptop using your webcam. Simple and straightforward. For the advanced users in live streaming, this option uses the WebRTC protocol, which is also encountered in apps such as Zoom or Google Meet. If you opt to stream with a professional camera, then you will also need to use a broadcasting software. Three of the best softwares that we can recommend are OBS, Atem, or vMix. Of course, you can use any other similar software, as this option uses the RTMP protocol. RTMP means real-time messaging protocol and is used for streaming audio, video, and data over the internet. RTMP is used to live stream on YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook. Once you choose the video source you want to use in your live shopping session, you can set if the event will be public for everyone to see or private in case you want to monetize your live session. For private events, you will need to create an account with Ovid, the ticketing and registration software that is integrated with Streams.live. To safely test your session, you can click on the For Me Only option. Once it is all set, you can continue configuring your channel on your left side, or you can go directly to the studio by clicking Start Session. This will not start your session immediately, as you will be taken to the studio, where you will be able to control your live stream. More on that in our dedicated video. Thanks for watching, and remember, stream it, sell it with live shopping on Streams.live.